Learn how to install the OpenLM Directory Synchronization Agent. Go to the OpenLM website and download the latest version of the Directory Synchronization Agent installer. Start the installation by double-clicking on the downloaded file. Take a moment to read the license agreement and go to the next step. In this window, you must specify the agent name and the type of OpenLM platform you are using. Select On-Prem if the OpenLM server is installed locally within your company's infrastructure, or Cloud if you are using the cloud version of OpenLM. At this stage, you need to upload the settings file previously generated in the OpenLM Identity Service interface. If you already have a file, click Next Step to continue the installation guide. If you don't have a file yet, click the Connect to Identity button to watch the guide for creating an authorization file in the Identity Service. Once you have selected the authorization file, click Next. Now select the installation path, or accept the default path, and click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, go to the DSS service in your OpenLM account and approve the agent that appears there to activate the connection. For more information, visit our website, www.openlm.com.